Alright guys, last time. I'm just tired unless there's an easier way.
What you doing?
Trying to fold a fitted sheet.
There's an easy way to do that. All right, now it's time to take it easy and make a quarantini. Most importantly, garnish with a toilet paper flower. Hi, I'm Sara Sigwart with Chicago Title. The pandemic and shutdowns have changed life at work and home for all of us. If you're transitioning back into the office, or if you never left and are wondering if there's an easier way to do things, we can help with that. Our team handles workflow studies, which can help you streamline your processes, saving you time and money. If you're ready to find out if life in the office can be easier, fold a fitted sheet, or even make a quarantini, please give me a call. I miss you all. I can't wait to see you again. Stay happy and healthy. Cheers.